Hello, welcome to our case study on TRL level. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how a startup company especially, discover their TRL level. Here, I have an introduction for you, the basic terms and background of TRL. TRL are a method used to measure and assess the maturity of a particular technology. The purpose is to measure the maturity of technology components for a system. It allows consistent, uniform discussion of technical maturity across different technologies. And it's also good for understanding of development plan that the company has in terms of reaching the maturity level necessary to go to the market. And the levels in a TRL are 1 to 9, TRL 1 to 9. TRL 1 is the basic level and TRL 9 is the highest level of the TRL. Here we have Provectus, Therapeutics, and they will share their journey in discovering their TRL level. I have been working with this team for quite some time, guiding them in their discovery of their TRL level.
Hello, this is Marco and Tony. We are the co-founder of Provectus Therapeutics. Today, we are glad to introduce our company and illustrate the system of technology readiness level. We aim to tackle three challenges in the cancer market: the high cost of new drug invention, heterogeneity in cancer, and huge database in cancer biology. Provectus Therapeutics aims to revolutionize anti-cancer drug invention with lower cost and higher success rate in human clinical trial in drug discovery by implementing cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence and microfluidic technologies. These are our first two products, Single AI Platform and AI Screening Platform. Single AI Platform is a high-throughput microfluidic chip for single-cell phenotypic analysis. Over 10 million single-cell or organoids can be trapped and analyzed. The functional proof of concept has been completed and the final product is under development. The AI Screening Platform conducts image processing, feature extraction, and data analysis based on microscopic image taken from Single AI Platform. After that, AI models predict the optimal drug combinations to achieve the highest anti-cancer efficiency on cancer cell line, biopsy sample, spheroid, and organoid. This can help pharma companies select the potential drug candidates to enter human clinical trials in drug invention. These two products can be used for new anti-cancer drug discovery with lower cost and shorter time in research and development. Now I will pass the time to Tony to talk about the technology system and how can we evaluate the TRL of our technologies.
Thank you, Marco. Technology Readiness Level, TRLs, is a method of estimating technology maturity during the acquisition phase of a program. The current definition of TRLs classified technology maturity into 9 levels, ranging from TRL1 to TRL9. These 9 levels of technology readiness can be roughly divided into 3 sections. The first 3 levels, from TRL1 to TRL3, describe the research phase of the technology. In this section, the development process of technology is in an early stage. From the first idea of the technology to the blueprint of what the technology will be like, and then to the proof of concept experiments, the technology readiness of the project transitions from TRL1 to TRL3 gradually. After proving the concept, TRL4 to TRL6 describe a more concrete development phase of the technology. At TRL4, the technology goes through laboratory-based validation, proving that the technology works under a controlled environment. To go to TRL5, the technology should be validated in relevant environments outside of the lab. If the technology is fully validated and the prototype is demonstrated to be fully functional under the relevant environment, the project can be classified as achieving TRL6. The final section of the technology readiness level is the deployment phase, which is from TRL7 to TRL9. For TRL7, the prototype of the technology should be demonstrated to be functional under operational environments. After the prototype completes all the testing, and is qualified for full operation, the project can be declared to achieve TRL 8. After the technology is successfully operated in operational condition and the production process of the technology is also completed, a technology readiness level of 9 is achieved. Depending on the milestone achieved by the technology development process, the classification of TRL of a program transitions from the lowest level of TRL 1 to the highest level of TRL 9. To give you a concrete example of the TRL classification, let us use our project as a demonstration.
Our project started with the observation that artificial intelligence and microfluidic technologies are demanding fields for precision medicine and drug screening. Knowing that there are a lot of patients suffering from disease like breast cancer, and yet the current therapeutic progress is slow and relies heavily on doctors' experience, we felt an urge in developing a system that can extract patient-specific information for precision medicine. From journals published by related researchers, we understand the current technologies used for precision medicine and challenges that need to be solved. During the early stage of this project, we were at TRL 1 because we only have the basic understanding of the technological principle of our direction. After finding out the direction we need to work on, we came up with an idea of combining microfluidic device with an AI analysis platform to perform drug screening and treatment prediction. This idea provides a blueprint for us to focus on and allow us to identify different pros and cons of our will-be technology. The formulation of technology concept and analysis of benefits bring us to TRL 2. Shortly after the formulation of concept, we started developing our technology by creating a working system as a proof of concept, which brings us to TRL 3. We developed a microfluidic chip and constructed an AI-based system for single-cell analysis. By trial and error, we optimized our microfluidic chip design, improved the analysis pipeline, and consolidated a working experimental procedure. After doing lots of testing, we proved that the analysis pipeline and AI system can extract useful features from samples and producing convincing results. The functional proof of concept system ensures our technology can be progressed into the next phase, which is TRL 4.
This brings us to the present. At the moment, our technology is between TRL 3 and TRL 4, as we have the working proof of concept, which has already been validated with the cancer cell line. And we are currently in the process of conducting lab-based validation with patient biopsy samples.
Hello, welcome back. I hope you have enjoyed and understand the TRL level presentation by the startup company Provectus, Therapeutics. After viewing their video presentation, you can see that they have completed their proof of concept in the lab. Currently, they are performing experiments to validate the system in the lab. So they would be in TRL level 4. So let me explain why is it that they are in TRL level 4. So for the proof of concept, which is TRL level 3, they have used the two major components in the company's product. One is a microfluid chip, and the second is the artificial intelligence portion. And to combine these two, then they can come out with the system that they are working on. So for the microfluid chip, they have completed the design, and that prototype is ready, and they have been testing it, and the test results show that it's validated, that they can do it, because they have proven the efficiency in a single cell analysis. For the artificial intelligence, they completed the working framework and also the model architecture, and they have used this in proving their concept. So they have completed, in other words, they have completed TRL level 3. So for TRL level 4, they are currently doing this in the lab. And what they want to do is to validate it in the lab for the microfluid chip and the AI development. So for the microfluid chip testing, they now use a biospecimen, and experiments are being conducted now to validate it. For AI development, the basic algorithm is being tested, and most of the samples are been testing using this now. So I would like to say that I confirm with them that they are in TRL level 4. So I hope you enjoy this case study, and the case study would help you to understand TRL level and apply it in your startup or company.
Enjoyed it? Please follow our Patreon channel to learn more about international business, entrepreneurship knowledge, latest innovation, and scholars' insights, and even more. See you soon!